Established in 2011, Regen Institute, a Polokwane-based registered higher education center, accredited with Department of Higher Education, QCTO, and various SETAs. With a rich history of excellence in education, we offer a wide range of programs designed to meet the demands of today's job market. The main office is at number 17 Wondrous Marais Street, right in Polokwane City, with campus located at number 27 Gilead Road in Muleji, Golodi. Regen Institute empowers individuals and organizations to reach their full potential through high-quality qualifications, training, and professional development programs. With a passion for learning, a commitment to excellence, and a wealth of expertise, we have been a trusted partner for our clients in their journey towards success. At Regen, we offer a number of career studies across many disciplines. We have majored engineering and business studies comprising of civil, electrical and mechanical, art and design, business management, clothing production, hospitality and catering, and farm management. We also offer matric rewrite and ASC, skills programs including computer literacy and clothing manufacturing. Lastly, our SETA programs comprise of ETDP SETA, which is Early Childhood Development, and accredited Agri-SETA programs, which are Plant Production, Animal Production Level 4, Mixed Farming Level 4, Horticulture Level 2. This campus has a safety room equipped with first aid kit and a rest-in bed in case one of our students requires medical attention quickly with the first aid responders on campus. Our ablution facilities are always kept clean to facilitate a proper learning environment for our students. All exam materials are kept very safe, hence the campus has a strong room where all confidential academic documents like exams and QMS systems are kept safely.